and then it really strengthened overnight into this afternoon. A Category 5 hurricane now with winds of 185 miles per hour. The first time we have seen this strong of a hurricane out over the open waters of the Atlantic. Still, 185 mile per hour winds as of the 5 p.m. advisory. 926
pressure just measured at 919, so this is just not weakening as an incredibly powerful tropical engine here coming in the direction of Florida.
Central coast of Cuba. Pressure is at 924 and it continues to move westward at 13 miles per hour. And it is a larger hurricane, wider than it was 24 hours
over land there in Cuba. 930 millibars, continuing to move off toward the west at 15 miles per hour. And on this track, it's going to make its way toward South Florida by the time we get into Saturday night.
And the issue that you have with those power outages, there's no quick way to fix that. It's really a long-term problem that will be affecting so many people. No doubt about it.
The center of Irma, about 65 miles southeast of Key West, Florida. Wind still at 130, so you most likely wouldn't see a wind change in these types of advisories. But the pressure from the last advisory now starting to be felt with central dense overcast. Now, trying to push on in through into central or the middle and lower Keys and up through the Straits of Florida and northern Iowa. Once it approaches, that is the core of, if we've got those 130 mile per hour winds, that's where they would be.
Winds right there in the eye wall at 130 miles per hour. So yesterday, weakened to a Cat 3, we are back to Category 4 status on the Saffir-Simpson scale. Now, we do have hurricane warnings in effect for all of the Sunshine State, at least the peninsula, Tallahassee, the state capital included, including many counties in southern Georgia.
So again, this is the latest information coming out of the Hurricane Center, now a Category 3 system, moving off to the north at about 12 miles per hour. The threats here are imminent. They're already beginning against storm surge.
Full force hurricane, no question about it. And the beating that Marco Island, the diameter, the circumference of that eye is the eye wall. That's the intense part of the hurricane. Then you get the band.
Yeah, just because of the way the eye configured itself. Now, the fact that it is kind of tracking inland a little bit is actually a little better for the storm surge, although this is such a big circulation.
Florida. This tornado warning is for Brevard and the Indian River County areas. You can see there again some rotations being indicated. That's right on 95 there. Down in Vero Beach, this is north of Florida Ridge. Here we go in the Indian Shores area.